Don't say these in English. Say this instead.
Help me.
Can you help me with this?
Where milk?
Where is the milk?
I want open account.
I want to open an account. What are you working on?
I'm working on this new project.
Oh, nice. Do you like it?
Yeah, I do. It's a little difficult though.
That's normal.
I've been stuck on this all morning. Need help.
Okay.
How do I ask?
Just ask.
Help me with this.
Almost. Can you help me with this?
Can you help me with this?
Or, could you help me with this?
Could you help me with this?
That sounds more polite.
Yeah, that feels better. Okay, we need milk, eggs, and vegetables.
Yeah, that's everything.
I hope they have fresh eggs.
Me too.
Do you like eggs?
I do. I eat them all the time.
Same. I love eggs, but my wallet doesn't. They're expensive now.
Yeah, they really are.
Okay, where milk?
Almost. Where is the milk?
Where is the milk?
Or, excuse me, where can I find the milk?
Excuse me, where can I find the milk?
That sounds natural.
Yeah, that's better.
What are you trying to do?
Open a bank account.
Nice. Why?
I want to save money.
That's a good idea. It's actually really easy.
I hope so. I brought my ID and some documents.
Perfect. You're ready. Oh, Lee, you're next.
Okay.
May I help you?
I want open account.
Almost. I want to open an account.
I want to open an account.
Or, I'd like to open an account.
I'd like to open an account.
That sounds more natural.
Yeah, that sounds better.
You've got this. These are the kinds of conversations you'll hear every day. The more you practice, the more natural your English will feel. If you want more real-life English, check out the other videos on the channel.